Hi friends! Today in math we are going to be thinking about shapes. Now there are lots of different shapes. There's three-sided shapes, four-sided shapes, six-sided shapes. But today we are going to be thinking about four-sided shapes, shapes with four sides. We have a special name for shapes with four sides. We call those shapes quadrilaterals. Can you say that with me? Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Quad means four. So when we say quadrilateral, that means it has four sides. So if you want to use that fancy word with your mom or your dad today, you'll really knock their socks off. Maybe you'll say, "Hey mom, that door is a quadrilateral. It has four sides." She'll be so impressed. Now friends, today in math, we're going to be thinking about quadrilaterals, and we're going to be thinking about how are these shapes alike and how are they different. Now we know that all of the shapes have four sides, so that's one way that they're all alike, but we want to try to find different ways to sort these quadrilaterals. In your packet you will have a sheet to record how you are going to sort these shapes, but you'll also have a sheet of actual shapes. So you can cut those out. They'll look like these shapes over here. So you can cut them out and get to sorting. Now on the worksheet where you record how you sorted, they suggested sorting by symmetry. Are the shapes symmetrical or not symmetrical? Ooh, symmetrical. That is another math word. Remember, in Number Corner, we talked about things being symmetrical, and we actually took shapes and we folded them to see if they were symmetrical. So when we think about symmetry, or if something's symmetrical, we can think of, can I fold this shape and it would be the same on both sides? Or maybe even cut this shape and it would be exactly the same? That's what they mean when they're thinking about sorting by whether something is symmetrical or not symmetrical. So if we look at this square, the square is symmetrical. If we were to cut it down the center or even from one corner to the other, it would be the same on both sides. But if we look at this quadrilateral, oh, that does not look symmetrical. If there's no way for us to cut this or fold this quadrilateral and have it be the same on both sides. So that would be not symmetrical. I'm wondering if there's another way we can think of to sort these shapes. You know, I'm noticing something about this square. This square has a special kind of corner on it that this quadrilateral doesn't have. This special kind of corner is called a right angle. That's when the two lines come together and they make that nice square corner. So that's called a right angle, but we can also think of it as the corner like in a square. So this square has those, but this quadrilateral doesn't. Let's see if we can find another quadrilateral that has those same nice right angle or square corners. Ooh, this rectangle also has right angles or those square corners. But this parallelogram does not. So now I'm sorting these shapes by looking at their corners. I am so excited to see all the different ways you think of to sort your shapes. If you get stuck and you're having a hard time, this might be a fun thing to do with a brother or a sister or your mom or your dad, because just like in class, when our friends come up with different ways to sort things, everybody sees math and shapes a little bit differently. And part of the fun is to see how other people think about it. So feel free to sort these shapes as many times as you would like. And then each time you sort, record on the sheet, so you can share with us all the different ways you sorted these quadrilaterals or four-sided shapes. All right, mathematicians, see you next time.